Welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Pixel ring light with LED lights which can be adjusted regarding brightness and color temperature. You get everything, you get the light, you get the tripod and a remote control to set everything from remote. You can control one or more than one light with the same remote control. You can build groups and have different presets for one or multiple of them, so it's super flexible. So let's see how easy this is to assemble and how easy to use. So when you open the box, first thing, of course, you have the carry bag with the light, but underneath there's the tripod, so you make sure that you flip it over and shake everything down, so you get also the tripod, which is at the very bottom of this box. So finally here we are, including the tripod. So like everything else, which is super easy to assemble, also the tripod comes in one piece with everything, also screws and everything included. The legs of the tripod are actually bent up, so you have to flip them at least 90 degrees to the other side, or even more if you want. So here you can see how I put them close to 90 degrees, but you will see it later how it looks. So the easiest way is when you hold the center pole and then you push down the smaller rods. As you can see, now we have even more than 90 degrees, and we can also pull out or extend the center pole in 4 stages. Everything is already there. As you can see, you can make this pretty long. So when you get the light after transportation, it could be that the eye protection pieces have been falling out, but don't worry, you can put them back easily. So here we go, you can see, just push them down one after each other. There are no screws needed, no nothing, and they are pretty sturdy. So just push them down and align them and everything will be good. So here you see the whole set with everything. You get also instructions, and here there's a small brochure even with some contact information if you have any questions. So that's good, you can contact the manufacturer. Also some more technical instructions, all the functions and everything very well explained. Yeah, here we see the remote control. Just take it out of the box and the protection. Then here you have a flap. You just pull it out and then the battery will make contact and you can turn on the remote control. And here we have the transformer, which is another great thing because it fits for 100 to 240 volts, and it even comes with an American US plug and with a European plug. So you can really almost use it worldwide just with these two adapters. If you need more, you can use a travel adapter, but of course from the voltage it covers worldwide usage. Here we see the phone mount which we can put or attach to the ring light. Here you can see how it looks at the end. I like the tripod stand, how it is at 90-degree angle, so there's no trip hazard. That's awesome. It doesn't work with every tripod or with every light. This is exceptional, and you can see the different color temperatures which you can easily select from the remote control. Here again, first very warm temperature and then turning into a very cool temperature. So there's a huge wide range which you can select. And here we can see the light from the other side. So the light is pointing towards the door. This is how it is when you act like a pro. You control the remote and you see the display of the main screen. You control everything from here. So let's get a little bit closer to the ring light with the central control unit where we can control everything like with the remote control. The most important part is this rotating knob, which we can use to adjust the color temperature and also the brightness. We can switch between these functions with pushing the button in the center of this rotating knob. And on the left side, of course, the on-off switch. But here you can see we have really all the buttons which we have on the remote control, as well as here on the main panel. So we can switch channels or this programming group, basically everything. So here again you can see the whole thing, how it looks, all these nice screws, 4 times adjustable with the height, also secure. You can secure the stand, the foot. And here we have the mount for the phone. The cable also, again, here we have the US cable, really good thing. The only disadvantage is that the cable is a little bit short. If you use the highest position, like 4 times full extension, it might be a little bit short and you have to find a solution where to place the transformer. Yeah, it's definitely a really good thing if you need something for travel. You can take everything apart. You have this travel bag for the light itself, and only the tripod you have to take separately, but you can see you can make it really small, even smaller than what I've been showing you here. And I like, here another way you can use the tripod stand. I like it more down at the 90 degrees angle, because then you can avoid any trip hazard. Here you can see that we can make the tripod even smaller when we when we use all the screws. We can make it really small, and it's a good thing to keep the cardboard to travel. Here you see that we can also remove this phone mount, and the phone mount is also a good thing. It's really flexible. I think you can use it at least to 6.5 inch or something like that. As you can see, you can secure it in every angle. It's a really good flexible thing. I also recommend to keep this small cardboard box, and maybe the box for the remote control, by the way. It doesn't turn off automatically. Make sure that when you store it, that you turn this thing off and then place it in the box, especially for travel, so you avoid any damage. The good thing is this small cardboard box is enough space to for all the accessories, and you can put it together with the light into this travel bag easily. So put it in the middle like shown here, and everything is well protected. You can take it with you and carry along with you very easily. So overall, it's a really good thing, and it's a huge change to the old style photo lights, where you have like a fluorescent light which you cannot dim, you cannot change color, temperature. It's a total new generation. It makes a lot of fun. It's still really reliable. Just a few minor things which I don't like so much, but it's with every device. It's even with a GoPro or an iPhone, you have some minor complaints. First is the extension cord, which is a little bit short, could be a little bit longer, and then the remote control, which doesn't turn off automatically. Also, sometimes the remote control doesn't work on the brightness. So if it doesn't work, go back to the color temperature and then it will work again. Sometimes it just gets stuck a little bit. And the last thing again, that the tripod does not fit into the travel pocket, but these are really minor things, and I will definitely keep this light because it's such a great upgrade from the existing one which I already have. And yeah, so it's a really good thing. If you are looking for something like that, it's a good thing to buy, and I will put down the link into the description so you can order it right from there. And if I find a coupon code, I will place it next to the link so you can use it as long as it's valid. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.